Hi friends, in this video we have to learn about a function in a Python. So what is the function? A function in a Python is a reusable blocks. In function in a Python is the reusable blocks of a code that performs a specific task. Instead of writing a same code instead of writing a same code again and again, you write it once inside a function and call it whenever you need it. So let's see and read this again. A function in a Python is a reusable blocks of a code that performs a specific task. Instead of writing the same code again and again, you write it once and inside a functions and call it whenever needed. Means you can write one time only and you can call this function many times whenever you require. So why use functions? So you can see wide avoid repetition of a code. Avoid code repetition because once only we have to write the code once and call the again many times. Make code clean and readable. So we can write code for a specific blocks. Easy to debug and maintain. Reusability. Here you can see the syntax of a functions. Syntax of a function. You have to write a def keyword first in Python and function name and parameters and code blocks and the return of value. In simple example, you can see def keyword. First def keyword you have to use, and this is a function name greet, and just give a parenthesis and colon, and this is a code print hello to welcome a Python. But you need to call this function. So you have to call this function outside of a function block. So let's see this example in our VS Code. So here you can see the output is a hello welcome to a Python, because you have see here you can see hello welcome to Python. Let's see this example in our VS Code. Just open your VS Code or any ID which you are using. So I have created this folder in my VS Code. Just create a file. So I am giving file name as 01 underscore function function dot py. So here you can see we can write a function. So you have to write a def keyword, right? Def and function name. You can see in this example greet function. So just write greet and give parenthesis, give colon and just enter. So you can make indentation properly and just write a code just like I'm printing in inside the double quotes. Here you can see hello welcome to Python, right? Hello welcome to Python, right? Now run this program because we have written this function. Now run. What do we see what will happen? So you can see nothing is happen, means you have to call this function as well. So how to call this function? So here you can see you have to call this function outside a block by using a function name. So this is a inside block. So you can see this. Just call greet outside this function block and now run the program. Now you can see output hello, welcome to Python. So by using a def keyword, just write a function name and you can write a code inside that function and you can call outside the block by using their function name and just parenthesis. So that's way you can create a function and write a code and you can see you can call in many times, just like don't need to write the again sign against, and you can see output is a 2 times. See, so don't need to write this code repeat and repeat. You can write once and you can call anytime and anywhere. So that's way you can create a function. So now in this video, this is declared and how to write a function by using just def keyword, function name, parenthesis, and you can write a code and you can call the function. So thank you for watching this video.